Okay, what's up, yard fanatics? BYD has shaved his beard off, and I don't look like BYD. It's hot out here, y'all. I had to do something, but check this out. I'm on my way to get BYD Jr. his first lawnmower. Now, it's not gonna be a big boy or nothing like that. A little 22-inch more. I kind of did my research here, and I'm off the Walmart. But we'll talk when we get there.
You're watching Bermuda Grad Central, changing the world 1 yard at a time.
Okay, yard fanatics, look, I'm at another one of my favorite spots. If you want to know which one I'm at the Ellenwood Walmart off of Ansville block in Stockbridge, Georgia. Look, I checked this online and through the app, and it said that they were out of stock. But I know sometimes they have one or two still sitting in there, so hopefully it's still in there. Now, when online it was $3.99. They reduced the price of this thing by $100. $100. So BYD Jr. doesn't know that he's getting it, and believe it or not, this is being bought by his aunt and a few of you guys who donated to the channel. That money is going to get him a lawnmower, guys. So let's go on in here and see if it's still in stock. Look, it's still in stock, and this is the one. This is the one, guys. And that's the normal price, but when I scan it, it's scanning $2.99. And look, here's some of the features. See that? 22-inch, 3-in-1. So it bags, mulches, and discharge, all-wheel drive, and most importantly, the selling factor for me is that Honda 160cc engine, 3-year limited warranty. This thing is going to be awesome, guys. Look, you can go and get you a Honda lawnmower and all that good stuff, but you know, BYD is out of the box. Let's try something different. This is the Snapper SP110. This will be the only review that you'll see of this on YouTube. Snapper is having an issue, man. The biggest Snapper used to be, I think one of the problems they're having now is that they just don't have an internet presence. So hopefully, once I get this thing at home and we put it together, we are going to see what I can do for Snapper. Okay, y'all, for next, look, we got it. Got it on the back of the truck, ready to get it to the home. So let's go. Okay, yard fanatics, look, we made it home safely with the mower. Look, BYD Jr. does not know. I just told him to come here for a minute, so I want to see what his facial is. He probably don't really even care, really, you know. But hey, I'm starting to get some more fungus, round patches and stuff in the yard. Don't worry, that stuff will grow out. Here it comes. Let's see what his face looks like. Let's see what it looks like. I'm over here.
How long am I supposed to be out here?
I don't know. You see anything? You see anything different?
Oh.
So we ain't got to use the what no more. The fist scars, right? Yeah.
I was tired of the other sound.
I know, wore you out then. Tired of that wheel that tick, 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 tick.
That's all I would hear. It got annoying.
I know, right? So, look, we're finna unload this thing real quick. And, guys, there will be a full review coming for the Snapper SP110 22-inch all-wheel drive superior traction lawnmower with the Honda 160cc engine on it.